Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect a Logitech keyboard to a laptop. And this will be a tutorial, of course, for a wireless keyboard. And once again, as I said before, it will be an easy tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, this is a Logitech wireless keyboard. And if you want to connect it to a laptop, you essentially have two options. I'm going to keep this short and sweet, okay? Your first option, which is probably the more common option that people use because more people are accustomed to this. And I said me because this is the option that I use. That's to use a little USB receiver, as you can see right here. Now, this is a unifying receiver because this keyboard came with a keyboard and mouse combo. But even if you just get a wireless keyboard, you're going to get a receiver. And basically, it's very simple. You take your USB receiver, you plug it into your laptop, to one of the USB ports on the laptop, and then your laptop will then proceed to try to get the proper driver to work with the keyboard. And once it gets the proper driver to work with the keyboard, which it should do automatically for the most part, then your keyboard will be up and running. And as long as this is plugged in, it will work with the laptop. And then you can unplug it, and then you can plug it back in and it'll work again. It should always work as long as it's plugged in. Even if you unplug it for, a day, a week, a month, as long as you plug it back in after, it should work again, okay? The other option, sorry about that, I just cracked my toes. I get a little bit of discomfort, so you might hear some toe cracking in the background. The other option is on the more modern keyboards, which is Bluetooth connectivity. So to connect your wireless keyboard to your laptop via Bluetooth, it's simple. You're going to look for a Bluetooth button. Now on this keyboard, you actually have the option to connect it to 3 devices. So that's why there are 3 Bluetooth buttons over here. But basically, you're going to look for your Bluetooth button and you're going to press and hold down the Bluetooth button for about 5 seconds. And that should usually start to look for devices that it can connect to, okay, via Bluetooth. And in this case, if your keyboard has multiple options, you're going to press and hold down, the number. So I would press and hold down number 1 to associate it with a number 1 device on the keyboard with regards to connecting it via Bluetooth. So I'd press and hold down number 1 for 5 seconds. And that would then connect Bluetooth-wise the keyboard to my laptop, and it would be associated with the number 1 on the keyboard. And that's basically it. That's how to connect the Logitech keyboard to a laptop with regards to a wireless keyboard in a simple tutorial. I've shown you and told you about 2 different ways, the USB option and then the Bluetooth option. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.